Title: How to remove voice typing from Android keyboard. Is the microphone button on your Android keyboard bothering you? In this video, I'll show you how to remove voice typing from your keyboard in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. Step 1. First, unlock your Android phone and open the Settings app. Step 2. Scroll down and tap System. On some phones, this option may be called General Management or Additional Settings. Step 3. Now tap Languages and Input. Step 4. Next, tap on-screen keyboard or virtual keyboard, depending on your phone. Step 5. If you're using Gboard, tap Gboard from the list. Step 6. Tap Voice Typing. Step 7. Finally, turn off Use Voice Typing. The microphone button will be removed from your keyboard. And that's it. Your Android keyboard should no longer show the voice typing button. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.